Hello guys, this is Dr. Zafar Habib Khan. In this video, I will tell you about the medications that are safe in pregnancy. So, there are some medicines that are safe in pregnancy are the methyldopa, and Aldomet is the brand that is come in the form of methyldopa. Secondly, there is a medicine called nifedipine or that will come in the brand of Adalat and Nifedil. And the third one that the medication that is safe is the labetalol. Labetalol ICL is a medicine that is safe in pregnancy for the pre-eclampsia stage. And the thiazide diuretics and the hydralazine are the medication that are safe in pregnancy. So these are the medicines that you can use in the pregnancy and that will give you a condition that will free from the hypertension. Because sometimes there is a condition that hypertension is a very worsened condition that will kill the child in the womb, and that will very difficult for a woman to bear the state of hypertension. It will cause the death of a mom or the woman and also a child. So be aware of this condition and use the safe medication that I will tell you in this video. Thank you.